The world sees what it wants. Judgments made from only what is visible to the eye. A visit to the mirror I see differently. Like a schizo with delusions of grandeur, I'm bipolar. Not diagnosed, but it's what the world has made me. A double personnel. I'm not what the world sees. A bundle of joy, handsome and successful. An embodiment, your fantasies. A lover's dream. A proud parent's joy. Society's view of an ideal human. A deep look reveals false lines. A being so fragile and lonely. A broken soul, devoid of love. A hollow with no reconnection to humanity. Beaten and battered by personal failings in life. Comes the struggles, lost from the world. A seamless transition sheaves the tears, the pains, the hurts, the scars. Indeed, a creature of mystery with interchanging personas. A world forever clueless. We are all misunderstood.